Omo, she to follow Parrot play na by force because I no can understand Mr. P. Oh. I just put my hand for cage. Mr. P just dey carry him head come my hand, carry him head come my hand. Mr. P, wetin happen? I no wan play with you. But Mr. P won't come dey do anyhow. Wait, after he don't wait like for 2 minutes, he say I no gree play with her. He bite me. He pay me. But now by force to play with you. I can't do play like say I want pet time. You know say I no want pet time. You know say the thing vex me. Now give her for head. Says I think give her for head. And Naka. And he know say he do bad thing. Call the fight. No be small fight to fight. All this fight I be say make I just pet am. But I no go pet am. Who go win for this fight now? Oh, I no gree. My Parrot dey para. Mr. P dey para. Yeah, nah. I think today we go see who be oga. This Parrot, he get pride there. This animal too get pride. See. Still make it tell me sorry, oh. I'm gonna do anyhow. Mr. P. Mr. P. Mr. P. After a long fight now, I can't call his name. He not like say I wicked. Because I know what he want. He just want make I pet him. This is what he likes to have a Parrot. Parrot can be corny. Once he don't put his head like this, now so. Parrot are really underrated pets. Man. I love you, Mr. P.